How to speed up slow internet on your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to speed up your slow internet on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to go with network and internet. And from there, you may have reset network option. On the bottom, as you can see that you will have network reset. You'll have this option on Windows 10 or 11. So you just need to simply click on network reset and then go with reset now. And your PC will be restarted and your network will be reset. After that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with your search and then search for device manager. Open up your device manager and here you will have network adapters. You need to go with your network adapters, expand it, and then you have to update all of the adapters. Let's say I'm just simply going with the first one. Right click on it, go with update driver. You can just simply go and search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. You can choose any one of these. And I'll just simply go with the first one and it has been installed or updated. Do the same with all of the other drivers as well. And once you do that, your problem might be fixed. Your network speed will be increased automatically. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.